Uh, Hello everybody. In this video I will try to show how to use program Sunrav. Let's think that we have our book's electronic variant, I mean text of the book. We found a PDF file from the internet and recognize it to the as a Word file, like here. This is the Word file. This is our paper book. We study lesson with this book, and for the first term, for the first lesson, we have our presentation made by PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and test. There are 10 questions and video. From the questions of this test, we make our test file. At the end of this video, I will tell about this. Let's start. To make electronic book, we open our Sunrav book, Sunrav program. I think you know how to install, and in the left side, this is the content of this electronic book. We can add chapters. Let's name it as chapter. Let's name the first chapter, I don't know, cover. I am sorry to my English, because I may say some words wrongly, not correctly. Second chapter, introduction. And third, first chapter. Next, second chapter, etc. To the cover, we can make our cover. For example, the Ministry of Education of Kyrgyz Republic. Name of the school. I don't want to spend much time. And the author of the book, and then name of the teacher who is making the electronic variant of this book. And then we can put here picture of the book, and at the end, for example, Bishkek 2022. We can work here like the Microsoft Office programs. There's no difference between Microsoft programs and Sunrav. An introduction. We open our book, copy the introduction, paste here. We have to add here content of the book. Content also we take from our book. At the end of this book, here is content. You copy it from here and paste here. Here this word is content. This is introduction. This is first chapter. This is first paragraph. To add here under first chapter, we make right click and choose. Here is, if we call it chapter, here's chapter, here is under chapter, here is rename, this is edit, this is delete, like here. We choose under chapter. Let's name it first paragraph. I don't know, am I writing right? Under chapter. We have 3 under chapters. Here is first theme. Here is second theme. Here is third theme. When we click to the paragraph, when we right click, if we choose chapter, it will have chapter equal to this chapter, not under chapter. If we click here, right click and use chapter, we will have equal to that chapter when what we choose. For example, if I don't want this chapter, I can delete it from here. This will name it as second paragraph, etc. From the content, we take first chapter. This is only part of the content, not only. We paste here, and we take from here the first chapter, copy from the here first paragraph, and the theme, first theme, we take it from the Word file. Here is the first theme. Copy. Here, paste. Second theme. Copy. Paste. And third. Copy. Paste. We will have our themes. Let's save the file from here, Sunrav file. We can save from here. This is save, this is save as, this is export, new, open, recent files, last files, import, print. We use save. We save this file in the folder project on desktop. Let's name it book. Save. If you look our folder, here is our new saved file. And under our first theme, we have a presentation, and we have also video, and we have also test. How to work here? For example, when we click to the introduction, we have to see the introduction. For this, we have to make a hyperlink. For this, make right click. Here is cut, copy, paste, font, hyperlink. Here, 3 types. First is chapter. Chapter means we can use these chapters as hyperlink. We can use these chapters as link. And last one, test. We use this type for make a link to only test files. And between them, here is written internet, document, and book. Except chapter and test, we use all this type. First of all, we have to use chapter because we need to open the chapter introduction. To check our link, we have to CTRL control. When we click control, it becomes as link. When we click with the mouse, we go to the link. For the first chapter, we use chapter. For the first paragraph, for the first theme, hyperlink for the first theme. Let's check it. For example, when I click on it, we see our theme. For this first theme, we have our presentation here, our test and video file. How do we use it? We open under chapter here, 3. First, we rename it presentation. Second, video. Third, for example, test. When we click to the presentation, here must be the name of the presentation. At the moment, let's write only presentation. When we click this word, we must see the presentation. How do we make it? Choose, right click, hyperlink, here between second type, and here choose, we click it, and all files. We have to open that folder where is our book saved. Here we choose our presentation, open, OK. When we click with the control, we see our presentation. The moment it's uploading here. This presentation is made by the PowerPoint, but the type, as you see, it is another type. When you save the PowerPoint file, you choose type demonstration, not presentation PowerPoint, demonstration PowerPoint. It becomes like this. Don't smile. Video, same. Video. Choose. Hyperlink. Here is video. Open. Why are we clicking with control? Because.
Здравствуй, дорогой ученик. Я хранитель этого кабинета.
Because this edit version, when we end our project, we will save it as Excel file. Then it will work without control. Let's talk about test. We have our Word file. Here are questions. This is the theme. This is the first question, second question, third question. Here is question, and here is the sentence that explains what to do to the student. For example, here is written, choose one correct answer from 4 answers. Here, choose more than 2 answers, 2 or more answers. Here's multiple choice, here is not. This is, we can say, comment to the question. Every question has a comment. And we have to open our Sunrav test team maker. This is Sunrav book office, this is Sunrav test office. These two programs work together. This team maker works to the tests. Sunrav book editor for book. For example, I click to the question, go to the test, copy the first question, copy, come here, paste, and go to the question, first question. We have to click to the answer, first answer. Here's nothing. When we click to the answer, here is the answers content. If we choose second answer, we see the second answer. We choose the question, we see here the question. For example, if I click to the question, here is question. If I click to the answer, there is nothing. Now I am pasting the first answer and copying the second and Can you see? It comes to here. When I click the second answer, there's nothing. I passed the answer. I'm going to copy the third, copy, and here paste. Fourth question, copy, and fourth answer, paste. Here is the correct one. Which one is correct? For example, this is correct. And here is type. And this is, you can choose only one correct answer. This is multiple choice. You can choose 2 or more answers. Here is open. You can write the correct answer with the keyboard. Here, match the answers. For example, 3 numbers and 3 sentences. Which number match the sentence? Match. This is choose the number of the answers. These are types. You can, if you have to add, we can make right click, and this is add. This is past. This is delete. Something else. Well, let's save. We make save project, write the name and save. At the moment I will not save because I have prepared my test. Here is our test. We write here test and choose, make right click, hypertext, choose test, and we see our file in the folder project. We open it. When we click to the test, we can see our test. We choose our correct answer and go to the next question. At the end, we see which question is answered correctly, which is incorrect. For example, this is incorrect, this is correct. And if you choose the next classic, you see this is percentage, this is number of questions, this is number of correct questions, this is time, this is point, etc. And now I tried to show the one theme of the electronic book. This contain this content belongs to every theme. For example, if we have 16 themes, we have 16 chapters and 16 themes. In every theme has presentation, video, test, and in the theme we have our material which is in the book. When we finish all the book, we click here, export and compilation, and the type of the file is exe, as you see. We write the name of the book. I will close it. And this is our electronic book. For example, the content. When I click first chapter, I see the first chapter. I didn't make all the links. When I click to this presentation, we have to see this presentation. When I click to this presentation, we have to see our this presentation. When we click escape, it goes close, and you can continue your work. Again, I am sorry for my English. I tried to explain. Thank you for your attention.